Hello. I thought I'll do a video about playing a tune on these two very small bass panels because yeah, they're sold. So it's just a test panel, so it's not major euros or something. But yeah, since I sold the other two, I was left behind with these two. And for my duties, I wanted to make a bigger one, see how that goes. Or use two, or four. But I only have two left, so... I thought there were less magnets in there than I actually are. I thought it was 20, but it's 35. So I think it was a good deal. Less good of a deal for me, but that's fine. I mean, I could have taken a look, see how much magnets were in there. Anyhow, I fixed some magnets, I glued some felt on there for damping, and I'm pretty pleased. Resonance is a bit low, 40 Hertz. It is easy to adjust it by unscrewing the metal plate and force the membrane to a higher tension when you screw back the metal plate. I will think about some method of doing this a bit more nicer instead of just putting a screw somewhere and hope the resonance went up, which it did, but it's not controllable very nice. So probably a tool that can like stretch the mylar, then you screw the whole metal plate down, then you remove the tool and you're done. That might be a good option, because Apogee uses like an extra piece of wood and has like the method of stretching the foil sideways always in the speaker, and that is, well, it is really nice, but it also takes quite a lot of space. Takes up space, which is a premium apparently. Yeah, gonna play two tunes. No sub and no crossover. I mean, one of these panels I think is not enough. You need at least two. And then in my room you actually do not need a sub, I think. But we're gonna listen to, well, one panel for each side. And then next week they're gone. Then hopefully I can get rid of these bended tweeters, or I reclaim the magnets, but they're also just standing here doing nothing. Well, they're doing now music, but I don't want to keep them. I might need to repair the voice coil first, because this one still has the pins in there to make a connection. That worked really well, but it's not something I want to have in there when I sell them, if I ever do. They might end up over there, just something to look at. Okay, let's give it a clap. I was in front of it. Only two tunes, or maybe one, I don't know. Maybe one is enough. Paradis Perdus? I don't know. Something Paradise something. Christine and the Queens. I think people that listen to higher quality music will have seen this album a few times. I think. I don't know, because I never look up high-end music, but it wouldn't surprise me if it's in there. Anyhow, that's what we're gonna play. Without a subwoofer. Let me check that. Yes, no subwoofer. And then it's the last tune they will play, at least in my house. Hopefully they will play a lot of tunes in someone else's house. Here we go. So this is not incredibly loud or something, but...
Dans ma veste de soie rose, chantait dans les caves de Londres, un peu noyé dans la fumée. Ce rock sophistiqué, toutes les nuits tu restais là.
While we're at it, maybe we'll give it some sort of drum solo. I mean, it's about the tiny bass panels. Okay, we'll do Fine Days. That's something with a bass guitar.
No fine days ahead. No, I won't say so. Play your silly song. Blues songs better without you. Violent like salsa, shooting like a cannonball, racing like a gun in my face. As sober as a sofa, invisible like Korean cards remaining in my veins. No fine days ahead. No, I won't say so. Play your silly song. Blue sounds better without you. Stranger than Tulsa, prouder than America, cooler than the live in July. You know I never knew you, so do my running shoes, messing with my veins. No fine days ahead. We reign in the zoo. Sail on 31. Blue sounds better without you. Can't do without you. But guess who's gonna do no good? Forget the righteous, not these outrageous things we said. You filled my days with nightmares. Now the nights are filled with pain. Everything we ever said will never sound the same. No fine days ahead. We reign in the zoo. Sail on 31. Blue sounds better without you. No fine days ahead. No, I won't say no. Play your silly song. Blue sounds better without you. Better.
Always late. That was useless. Well, bye bye little bass panels. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, next time they will be bigger. Oh, by the way, they will never be used like a full range, so don't worry. I mean, now they play from 40 hertz, 40, 50 hertz, and up. And it's a bit too much for them. They will be used, I believe, crossed at 80 or 70 hertz with a steep filter, so I think you can play quite a little bit higher. Well, in theory, 12 dB louder, but let's make it like 6 or 8 dB louder, or maybe 10. That's still quite a lot. I mean, this was quite loud at some spots. Well, see you around, and the money will be well spent, because I can buy new stuff for my CNC. Hell yeah. See you later. Bye bye.